Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools through eBay. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools through eBay, first, create an eBay account if you do not have one. Navigate to eBay and log in using your credentials. Next, identify which AI tools you want to optimize. Research potential AI tools on eBay by using the search bar. Use specific keywords related to the AI tools you are interested in. Filter the search results based on price, condition, and seller ratings for better choices. Review product descriptions carefully to identify features that align with your needs. Check customer reviews and ratings to gauge the effectiveness of the AI tools. Add any suitable AI tools to your watchlist for further evaluation. Compare different listings to find the best price and shipping options. Consider contacting sellers for more information if needed. Once you select the ideal AI tool, add it to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout and complete your purchase securely. After receiving your AI tool, set it up according to the manufacturer's instructions. Explore the tool's features and functionalities to understand its full potential. Integrate the AI tool into your workflow to enhance productivity. Monitor your results to assess the optimization of your tasks. Make adjustments as necessary to maximize the benefits of your AI tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.